Great green grass!
What have we got here? Terrific! Hello, G. Hello, O.
Hello, T. Oh.
Hello, P.
Pretty. Oh.
Pot.
Gosh! Good grief! Great! Guess what's going to grow? Oh!
Pod.
Five little peas in a pea pod pressed. One grew, two grew, and so did all the rest. They grew, and they grew, and they did not stop until one day the pod went. Pop! Dog! Goodness gracious!
Oh!
Goodness, where have you been? Please tell us. Oh, go on.
You don't say. Terrific tale.
Greetings. Can you guess what's going to grow next in my garden?
I want to see. I want to see.
Dig. Terrible.
I helped. I saved your garden.
Dog dug it up. Disaster.
Poor G. Such a pity. Gosh. Great ground for growing. Pretty plants.
It's incredible.
My gorgeous green garden. Isn't it great? Oh! Good grief, oh! You've gone all green. Gosh! Great! Groovy! Red and orange and yellow, green and blue, indigo and violet too. Red and orange and yellow, green and blue, indigo and violet too. Goodness! It's glittering and golden. Let's go and see what it is. Found you! Brilliant!
Ta-da!
Cool!
Lovely. Hooray!
Jumping jelly blocks.
Got to get across! Who's going to help? Dog. Go get it, dog. Go again. Frog. Funny. Let's fly across. Gotcha! Oh, good grief. Log.
Let's go.
Definitely.
Red and orange and yellow, green and blue, indigo and violet too. Glittery.
Lovely.
Dazzling.
Red and orange and yellow, green and blue, indigo and violet too. We'll race you! Win!
If you're hoping for a win in a sailing race, you're gonna need some
Wind!
You could end up in first place with the wind in your sails. You know it never fails. You can race from shore to shore.
You can do much more with four.
Terrific! Excellent! 10. 10 out of 10.
If you want to score a 10, you need to get it right. But when you pitch your
Tent.
it's somewhere safe to sleep at night. You're safe in your tent, you know it's heaven sent. You'll be warm and dry for sure.
You can do much more with four.
Ram. There's a ram that's trying to ram us and rampage through the camp. We can send him safely on his way if we can build ourselves a ramp. Four saved the day and now the band can play. Our friendship is worth more.
We can do much more with four.
We can do much more with four. Mist.
If your camp is in a mist, then you must not roam. You know you might get
Lost.
Perhaps it's time to go on home. Can't find your way, we'll get you home today. So make your way down to the shore.
You can do much more with four.
What's up there?
What's up there? A.
Space.
Somewhere
Pretty amazing.
called
Eric. I mean, space.
So, home is down there.
And we're up here.
Calamity! How do we get back? Saved! We're saved! It's F!
Fabulous to see you all. Isn't it fantastic up here? I feel so free. Must fly.
Come back! So, what do we do now?
Escape.
Perfect. How?
Look! Look! Who's this?
Hello. I was just taking some friends for a swim.
Super! You can all come and listen to my lullabies.
A. Nail.
Now we're in trouble. We needed that nail.
Looks like I'm not going to get there after all.
Of course we will. We mustn't fail. What can we do?
The sun is setting.
Hey. Hail.
Let's think of something else.
Hail. Perfect.
Land.